Most projects start with a simple question. What could this space look like? Designers picture it one way, owners picture another, and contractors are already thinking about what's realistic. But early on, everyone may have a different mental picture in mind. What if there's an open source tool that helped everyone look at the same options earlier? Well, I've been prototyping with a solution that just does just this. So let's start off with a simple scenario. Imagine yourself planning a renovation and you're not sure what type of flooring you want. Well, we're going to simulate a flooring change in my apartment, as you can see right now, and we'll see which ones I like the best. I've automated a workflow that takes a real photo of my space located right here, and we're going to cycle through a folder location that contains images of 4 different floor samples that I want to look at. So it is right here. We've got some concrete, some old decorative tile, something more modern, and some wood flooring. Now, it's going to run through those images together with a prompt where I say replace the floor material in image 1 with the material shown in image 2. And then we're going to output it into a location of my choosing, which is again right here in this output folder. So since we have 4 samples, we're going to tell this program to run 4 times. Okay, and the program is done. We see that each image that was processed took approximately 40 seconds. So about 160 seconds for this whole thing to cycle through all 4 images. And when we go to the folder, we'll see output, and we can see all the different samples that we have right here. Blowing up this view for you, we've got these side-by-side pics. I'm not sure which one I like yet, but I also want to see maybe I'm going to repaint my wall color. So which wall color goes best with each of these tiles? I take this section of my workflow where maybe I wanted to paint my wall color red. So I'd load in the wall color, set it to this variable, and then all I need to do is reconnect these dots and then modify the prompt. So again, we already set our program to run 4 times, and now we just hit run and we wait. Okay, so the pictures again were saved in the same output directory as the original 4 that I ran. And so dragging this over, now we can see that we've got the new floor tile in my apartment with the new wall color that we've shown right here. This kind of open source tool can help designers explore directions faster, owners react to options with more confidence, and help contractors align expectations earlier. Or you might be just curious how you may want to plan your own personal remodeling project. But it's important to be clear about the limits. Because this is AI generated, what you're seeing is an approximation, not a promise of the final result. It doesn't understand constructability, cost, tolerances, or detailing. We can think of it the same way we think about schematic level sketches or rough models. Tools we already use to explore ideas and align early. It's a different medium, but the same goal. Just better conversations earlier. What I'm showing here is just the tip of the iceberg of possibilities we can execute, so stay tuned for more.